Hello YouTube, how have you been doing? I hope you guys are doing good. I was so sorry that I haven't updated you my YouTube contents for too long. Maybe since about 9 months ago, if I remember correctly, I have been away from YouTube community. It doesn't mean I quit doing YouTube, okay? Last year, I was too busy doing another project in IT infrastructure within my company, and then I lost an interest in creating my contents. To be honest, that's true. I kinda ran away from YouTube actually because I couldn't monetize as much money as I expected, but I have gained my annual income from my main IT business and stock investment as well. Now that my life is getting slowly better and better, wealthier than last year at least, and my financial mentality is kind of being stable at the moment. So I figure maybe I could come back to a YouTube platform again and challenge to grow up my channel subscribers at any cost. Obviously, I shifted my business model from YouTube to what I was doing in business last year. You know what? I didn't have to come back in social media with YouTube because I've got a better life than I was doing YouTube in a couple of years ago. Once you start making much of money, you just get lazy and relax to hang out with your friends, family, and beloved one, and just waste it in the end. That's how it goes. That's a general outcome of when you get rich, right? But life still goes on. I usually have a habit and visit the shrine on the first day of every month to pray for my future success, fortune, and anything positive. Sometimes I feed back my past a couple of weeks, like what was wrong with my attitude in business, whether or not I worked hard, whether or not I learned from my mistake. When thinking about something like that, laziness doesn't guarantee you're gonna be successful. I was thinking of why I moved to Tokyo all the way from Shiga Prefecture and meditate and ask myself as to what's going on with my life. Yes, I have an answer. I'm here to do something really amazing. I don't depend on anything stable. Well, stable life is important, of course, but more than that, I should be here to make my YouTube channel great again. Life isn't fair, folks. Yeah, every single one of us has a path, right? There is no right or wrong directions. When you make a decision, you go there. If I do things, I do things. That's what it is, right? My friends, my families, and a lot of people around me asking me to resume my YouTube activities. That's energy resources coming from my spirit that I can boost on my best effort. That motivated me to make me want to go for YouTube. But easier said than done, of course. Even if I reopen my YouTube account, most likely no one watches my contents. Possibly. That's a presumptions. Growing YouTube channels takes a strategy, consistency, and engagement. My channel contents are all about Japan, Japanese breaking news, education, business, and its related topic that you might be of interest. Let me explain about my YouTube College. Okay, my YouTube College offers you a wealth of free knowledge about Japan. We are covering leverage trending topics, for instance. Since we cover breaking news, timing is a key. We need to stay on top of trending stories in Japan and be among with first to report or analyze them. That's quite a tough work for me, but I'm so excited to do it. I could use a Google Trend, X, news aggregators to spot emerging topics. The news resources can be something from there. I give you an update as to what's going on with them by optimizing titles, thumbnails, short videos for quick updates, and I intend to engage with the audiences so that I can get questioned by viewers to have more discussions or something specific on your mind. I may have new findings like that, so I'm wanting it. Maybe create a community post can be worked to get viewers involved. I believe that's a good idea, but never late than never. I'm thinking it's not a rocket science like Elon Musk is doing. As compared to his job performance, mine is like a piece of Okay, fair enough. Let's make it count, shall we? Let's see what happens. Hey everyone, how's going on with you? How have you been? I appreciate it if you watch my first video with introduction on my YouTube channel and really wish you get updated and stay tuned with MALIBU College, okay? I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.